Scenic lakefront location. Renovated lake home with open floor plan, floor-to-ceiling windows with sliders that lead out onto the upper deck overlooking the lake. Tranquil location tucked back by Indian Island but still on the main lake for access to explore all 9 miles of the lake. Enjoy swimming, fishing, hiking, kayaking, jet ski, wakeboard, sailing and more. Hiking trails are in walking distance from the house. Stylish interior designed to entertain. Washer/dryer on main floor. No short-term rentals. Must be a minimum stay of 29 days for township compliance. Seasonal pricing will change June, July, August and Sept. Raise $12,000 a month, or if you are seeking long-term, landlord will negotiate.